In a world where screens shape minds and reels define reality, a quiet revolution is taking root. At the spiritual heart of India, the Brahma Kumaris headquarters, Manmohini One complex, influencers from across the country gathered to explore a higher dimension of digital influence. Organized by Brahma Kumaris Media Wing. This unique 3-day retreat welcomed change makers from the digital world, those who use social media not just to entertain but to elevate. From high-speed content to moments of inner stillness, the retreat offered a rare pause. Influencers experienced guided meditation sessions led by senior Raj Yogis like Sister Jayanti, who shared insights on the spiritual power behind silent minds.
मन, बुद्धि, संस्कार, तो तीनों ही हमारे सारे कारोबार को इन्फ्लुएंस करती हैं और जितना हम उन बातों को समझ पाते हैं उतना फिर हम उसके ऊपर मास्टरी भी कर सकते हैं।
Engaging panel discussion bridged two worlds, the digital and the divine. Social voices like Kuldeep Singhania, Janvi Singh, C.A. Palak Rathi, Komal Guddan, Meenakshi Sherawat, Umang Tyagi opened their hearts on how they strive to blend content with consciousness.
वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस है, एक डिवाइन एक्सपीरियंस है। आपका ज़िंदगी जीने का नज़रिया बदल देगा कि किस तरीके से आप अभी तक सिर्फ पैसे कमाने के लिए जी रहे थे। अब यहाँ आके आपको एहसास होगा कि पैसे के ऊपर भी कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको कंटिन्यूस खुशी दे सकती है 365 days 24/7.
If you are creating content and if you are creating valuable content, virality will follow it. So value creates virality.
Instead of scrolling mindlessly on social media, sometimes you need to focus on decluttering your mind, clearing your subconscious mind from all the thoughts and all the unwanted intakes of knowledge that you take.
From exploring the ethics of content creation with Brother E.V. Girish to awakening inner strength with Sister Shreya.
Yeah, life itself is a celebration. You don't have to wait for a Diwali to celebrate. Every moment is a celebration.
हम कभी नहीं कहते जैसा अन्न वैसा तन, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, जैसा पानी वैसी वाणी। सो वैसा आपका मन होगा।
The influencers found perspectives on how digital platforms can become paths of positivity. The retreat was not just soulful but joyful. Laughter echoed in nature walks, connections deepened over sattvic meals, and creativity flowed during cultural evenings under the stars. When digital voices unite with spiritual values, a new narrative is born. One that uplifts, inspires, and transforms. This wasn't just a retreat, it was a reminder that even in the most fast-paced world, we can pause, reflect, and post something divine. Om Shanti.